welcome back to my channel. So guys, for this week's Pandemic Survival Kitchen episode, I want to do something a little more fun with you guys. We can all use a little bit of de-stressing with this corona pandemic that's going on right now. So I figured I would have a little something special, refreshing. It is the spring, or so it's supposed to be. Mother Nature is all out of whack. Of course, I think she is suffering this virus as well. So as you can see here, I have some vodka, so you know it's going to be good. So I'm going to show you guys how to do my vodka berry sorbet. It's really quick and easy. It's absolutely delicious, and it's a lot of fun to make. Now I'm going to do sorbet. You guys can do a sherbet if you like. The only difference is with a sherbet, you are going to add some cream to it. I'll go ahead and put that in the description box as well. If you guys, like I said, would like to make a sherbet as opposed to a sorbet. So the ingredients that you'll need is, of course, some vodka. You're going to need some simple syrup. I will put my recipe for simple syrup in the description box as well if you don't have any simple syrup on hand. Okay, it's really quick and easy. You're also going to need your berries. So right here I have some frozen berries, and my berries of choice are going to be raspberries, blueberries, and of course strawberries. You know your girl loves some strawberries. So these are my berries. You guys can use whatever berries your heart desires. And then I have some lemon over here. And that's it. You're going to need a blender. You could use a food processor if you'd like. And guys, don't forget to check out Chef Matt over at Kitchen Instruments for his Pandemic Survival Kitchen episode this week. I know it's going to be a real good one, so you definitely don't want to miss it. And with that being said, let's go have some fun and start making this vodka berry sorbet. Okay, so basically we're just going to go ahead and put everything in the blender, and of course I will have the exact measurements and ingredients I used. So, in the blender we are going to go ahead and put 5 cups of the mixed berries in here, which is right there. And you guys can do more or less whatever berries you guys like. I'm going to try to do, you know, oopsie, equal parts. And just dropping, flinging berries everywhere. And do a couple more strawberries. Seeing strawberries are my favorite. That looks good enough. The juice of 1 lemon. This is 3 tablespoons of the simple syrup. Pour all that deliciousness in there. And then, for the fun part, we're going to do, I'm not going to take a shot of this, guys, no way, no how. I'm going to do about 1/4 cup of vodka, or more, whatever you guys, little boozy hearts desires, and of course I'll do a little extra shotty for you guys that love your vodka. Move this over here. Put her top on. Bring her over here. Now, if you are using a food processor, just go ahead and food process it until it's nice and smooth. I'll show you the consistency. If you're using a blender, just go ahead and puree it, okay? And that's it. So, cover your ears. Alright guys, this looks perfect. And it's beautiful color. Nice and thick. Alright, at this point, you guys can go ahead and strain it, okay? To get all the seeds out of there. I particularly like the seeds in there. It doesn't bother me. I like it. I like the texture. So I'm not going to strain it. But if you do want to strain the seeds out, just get yourself a bowl. A little ladle works the best because you can mush it really good. And then just your strainer. And all you're going to do is pour it in here, mush it, and it will, like I said, it'll take all the seeds out for you. If you guys want to do that step. If not, which I'm not doing, we're going to go from here. Okay, all you're going to get is a airtight container that you can stick in the freezer, okay? And you're just going to pour it in here. I'll do it the other way so you guys can see. Get all that goodness out of there. Just gonna go ahead and smooth it. Look how beautiful that is, guys. And the taste is really, really good. Alright, so all you're gonna do is put it in your container. You are gonna close her up. Make sure there's no air in there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the freezer. And I'm gonna leave it in the freezer probably about 4 hours. The important part and step to this is every hour you're gonna take it out of the freezer. And all you're gonna do is take the lid off, if I can do that. And you're just gonna move the sorbet around, okay? Because you don't want it to become a block of ice. You're gonna put some air in there and you're gonna move the ice crystals around. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you, I've already taken this out of the freezer one time after the first hour, and this is gonna be the second hour, and I wanted to show you basically what it looks like and why I'm doing this. So see how it's forming some ice crystals? That's what we don't want, okay? We wanted a nice smooth texture. So that's why it's important, see all that ice? So that's why it's important to take it out after every, 45 minutes to an hour. I say an hour. And then just give it a good stir. Getting some air in there, breaking up the ice crystals. And the reason why I put the vodka in here is, as you know, alcohol doesn't freeze. And it'll keep the sorbet nice and slushy. So that's another reason besides the obvious, alcohol. But that's the other reason why I put the vodka in there. It helps to keep it a nice slushy consistency as opposed to, ice, because that's not what we want. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back in the freezer, and I'll take it out in the third hour, so forth, and then I will show you guys when we're all done. Okay guys, so it's been exactly 4 hours, and I went ahead after each hour and, like I showed you, fluffed it, breaking up the ice crystals. So let's look at it together. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Look how beautiful that is. It's such a pretty color. Oh yeah, it's set really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and taste it. And that's the consistency you guys want. Alright, cheers guys. Guys, this is amazing. This is really, really, really good. Perfect. You get to taste all the berries, which is really, really nice. It's not overly sweet. You guys can add extra simple syrup if you'd like and make it a little more sweeter, but it's perfect for me. It's really refreshing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys haven't already. Don't forget to check out Chef Matt over at Kitchen Instruments for his collab this week. You guys are definitely not going to want to miss it. It's going to be a good one. And with that, stay healthy, safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.